Hey.
Wow. So I'm walking down the halls of the IDS. I see my friend Larry Bedoni. Larry, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
And he has a shirt on that says "Bad bites suck." I said, "Wait a second, what's going on here?"
Well, it's true. Bad bites do suck, and they're one of the biggest problems in digital dentistry and dentistry in general, but especially in digital dentistry. And all the solutions we have are really kind of lousy. And so I've been working with this company called Bite Finder, bite-finder.com, where you can sign up for free trial of this amazing software that not only finds static occlusion, but also gives you dynamic occlusion, which you can use in Exocad.
Is that right?
Yeah, directly on any restoration type. And it's really well integrated. It's really inexpensive on a per case basis. And we think everyone should really start to try it.
So instead of me just having a patient going to the buccal bite, this is a little more.
Oh yeah, this is real AI. This is like thousands of computers working on your individual patient scans. For 30 seconds, they come back with everything you'd ever want to know about this patient's bite, and we've benchmarked it against all the other systems, buccal bites. We benchmarked it against manual articulation with real technicians. We've done it against the facebow transfers and the DOS trackers. And it's by far the easiest, fastest, and best way to get this job done.
So essentially, I don't have to have a bite at all. I just see model, upper model, lower model, and it goes like this.
That's it. It's that simple. And it's the power of this new AI technology that really lets that happen.
Wow.
It's really simple. You simply upload your scans, and in 30 seconds, you basically get a set of bites that are pulled together with contact points, dynamic motion. And then if you like, once you get the information and you're happy with it, you just simply download the new scans in occlusion, and you just continue on with your design.
That was amazing. I mean, that was simply amazing.
Yeah, it's an amazing product, and it's amazing that it can be done on such an incredible speed by this team of 20-something AI engineers that are going to revolutionize the dental industry. So we're really happy about it.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you so much for coming by.
All right.
Appreciate it.